देखिए, दिस वाज योर क्वेश्चन है ना, दिस इज योर क्वेश्चंस. See the questions. Consider the diagram shown in figure where the two chambers separated by a piston spring arrangement contains equal amount of certain gas, ideal gas. Initially, when the temperature of the gas in the both chambers are kept 300 Kelvin, the compression in the spring is 1 meter. The temperature of the left and the right chambers are now 400 500 Kelvin respectively. If the piston are free to slide, final compression in spring in centimeter. Okay, very easy questions, calculative only, I think it seems. But question should means I think this wall must be adiabatic. Okay, just solving, I got it, the questions. See, this is a piston, movable piston, light piston, and here is a left chamber carries 300 Kelvin gas and same number of moles and identical gas in the right chamber also. This is left chamber and this is right chamber whose length 1 meter both. Okay, so from first conditions draw the equations. So you know PV equal to nRT, genius, PV equal to nRT, or you know volume equals to area of piston. This area A and this is also same area of piston. And you told me spring compressed initially by 1 meter. Okay, so pressure of the left chamber, right, C1s, into volume means area into length. The length is 1 meter, or area 1. That this is N R 300. Here first equation. And pressure into area, force. Pressure into area, force. Our force is Kx, spring. The stiffness K, and X you told 1 meter. Compression you already expressed, na? X of the spring is given 1 meter. So you will get one equation, this one. This is first equation. Now left chamber temperature rose from 300 to 400 Kelvin, and the right chamber 500 Kelvin, and you need to find final compression. Obviously compression will be higher than 1 meter. So suppose this initial length is given 1 meter. Now suppose it's expand by x, the total is 1 plus x, and this also very high temperature. Suppose it's now become 1 plus y. So what is the final compression in a spring? Initial was 1. Now x, this expand, volume expand by x, and this volume expand by y, and total length of the adiabatic wall constant. Means this is y expansion, this is x expansion. So who absorb all expansion? This is spring. The initial was 1 compressed by 1 meter. Now x plus y meter further added. Now apply equation of motion again. The now new pressure, suppose P prime into volume, how much? Area is the same, area of the piston is A. The area into volume, the area into length. Now N, number of mole remains same because gas enclosed. N are 400. Now create another equation for the right chamber. So P prime into area into 1 plus y and N R into 500, because now temperature increases from 300 to 500 Kelvin. So this is equations. Now pressure into area, how much? The pressure into area means Kx. Pressure into area means Kx, because see, area here is constant. Here also area, both area same. This means pressure rise in pressure also same. Both carrying same pressure. See once. Because this is a stationary system. Since system is static, so pressure P prime in both cases. Now, what is the P into area? Force. And force who will provide? Spring will provide. The force is Kx. The K is the stiffness of the spring, and X how much? 1 plus X plus Y. And 1 plus X. This is 1 plus X. And this is NR 400. Now for the second equation, NR 500, and this is again the same force, because this is single spring. That this is Kx and this is Kx. So K 1 plus X plus Y into 1 plus Y, because here is the 1 plus Y. This is the second equation. Now you collected these two equations. If you divide, you will get the value of equations of X and Y. And if you put here, because K already known from first equation, the K, you know, K into 1 meter, the K already known, the N into R into 300. So what is the value of K? So 300 NR, this is the stiffness. K stand here, stiffness or force constant of the spring. Okay, to divide these two equations, you will get one further equations. I am just dividing now. These two get cancelled. You will get what? 1 plus X. Now this is just 7th class calculations now. 4 by 5. Now solve. Multiply. So 5 plus 5x equals to 4 plus 4y. So 5x minus 4y equals to minus 1. 4y minus 5x equal to 1. This is first equation. Okay, now take any another equations. So I am taking first equation. The K 1 plus x plus y 1 plus x equals to n into r into 400. Now put the value of k. K you already evaluated from first conditions. See 300 nr. So put here the value of k 300 nr 1 plus x plus y, and here is 1 plus x, and this is nr 400. Now we could solve. So you will get 1 plus x plus y, 1 plus x, and this is 4 by 3. 3 throw to the right side. Now convert this equation into the single form. So here is the data. So now you should convert 1 plus x and plus in place of y write 1 plus 5x by 4 into 1 plus x. You will get quadratic equations and take positive value only. Solve this further. 4 plus 4x plus 1 plus 5x 1 plus x equals to 16 by 3. So this is 6, 5, and this is 9x. This is 1 plus x. You could solve now. This is very easy questions, calculation wise only. Actually JEE Advanced asking conceptual type also. This is good questions, but calculation wise only. I am just solving. You get this equation? 2, 3, 5 plus 5x, okay, and this 9x है ना, and plus 9x equal to 16. So you will get 15 plus 42x plus 27x square equal to 16. Means 27x square plus 14x minus 1 equals to 1. Now solve. X will become minus 42 under root 42 square minus 4ac, 27, and minus here is, and 2 into a. If you solve, you will get further minus 42 plus minus 42 square, how much? 1764, and this will become how much? 30, 120 means 12 means 108. 7 4 ja 28, right? This is 54. Distance cannot be negative, so take only positive sign. This is in meter, but your answer asking in centimeter. Once solve, you will get answer. This is the answer. Now if you know a square root now, how to find a square root? Okay, if it is easy, then no problem. Otherwise you need to evaluate the square root. Okay, so 4 are 12, 6 7, and this one is 1, 8 1 and 54. Okay, please see through a square root. 18 17 2. Find a square root, easy one. Okay, take pair of 2. In a pair of 2 is taken na for finding a square root. And please write 4 4. So this is 16, 4 8 2. See once, right? Then apply 2 numbers, and here is 1 2 3. The 3 means 24. 3 right please. The 9 24, add, you will get 86, subtract 12, 3 2, cut. So how many times? 3 times. Point and put here 2 zeros, Anna. Now this one is 86. 86 here is, so 1 2 3. So 3 not possible, 2. The 2 2 ja 4, 12 17, and here is, now subtract 6. This one is 6 9 7. This one is 5. Now here is 2 times, again put 2 zeros. The 57,000 something, and this is 8,600 something. So you could apply 8 8 ja 64, means 7 ja 8 7 times कितना होगा? हाँ, means 6 times है ना. Solve once, you will get answer surely, है ना. 25 2 6 6 36 38 8 6 48 48, and this one is 51. Acha, take 7 times. You will get 60,000, है ना. So 6 times is the right one. Okay, approximately this one. So you know the value of this, you know, 43.26 came. The x, you know, minus 42 plus 43.26 divided by 54. Now we could solve. This is in meter, है ना. Easy category questions. calculation present only. Solve similar tough questions, because dear students, for JEE Advanced, questions cannot come very easy type. Questions will be coming very good type, and these questions also under good category. I am not saying under means average category. This is also good questions. Okay, dear students, I was waiting for your questions again, and I will again reconnect. Till then, I am taking 2 minutes short break. Thank you very much, and if possible, I will sing a song based on Chak De India.